You were told something growing up. Study hard, get a good degree, land a stable job, earn a good salary, and you'll be financially secure. Sounds logical, right? Then explain this. Why are so many six-figure earners still stressed about money? Why are doctors drowning in debt? Why are tech employees with $120,000 salaries still living paycheck to paycheck? Your salary was never designed to make you wealthy. And the reason has nothing to do with how smart you are or how hard you work. It has everything to do with a psychological trap, the time for money trap. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Let's define wealth. Wealth is not income. Wealth is freedom of time. If you stop working tomorrow, does money still come in? If the answer is no, you don't own wealth. You own a job. Now don't get me wrong. There is nothing wrong with earning a salary. The problem is when your entire financial life depends on it. Because when you trade time for money, you create a ceiling. There are only 24 hours in a day. Even if you hustle 10 hours a day, even if you work overtime, even if you grind weekends, you're still limited by time. You can raise your hourly rate, but you cannot multiply your hours. And here's the scary part. Every time you get a raise, your expenses quietly rise with it. New car, better apartment, upgraded lifestyle. You feel richer, but your dependence grows stronger. It's like upgrading your cage. Let's talk about what nobody warns you about. A salary creates psychological comfort, and comfort is dangerous. When money comes every 2 weeks, you stop questioning the system. You delay investing. You delay building assets. You tell yourself, I'll start when I earn more. But earning more doesn't fix the trap. It deepens it, because the more you earn, the more you adjust your identity around being an employee. You become the manager, the engineer, the consultant. Your lifestyle expands to match your paycheck. Now imagine this. You lose your job tomorrow. How many months can you survive? 3? 6? Most Americans can't survive one unexpected $1,000 expense without stress. Not because they don't earn, but because they never built assets. And here's the emotional truth. A salary makes you feel productive. Assets make you free. Massive difference. And if you're between 16 and 30, this is the most important decade of your financial life. Because time compounds, but only if you own something that compounds. Which brings us to the shift. The real question isn't, how can I earn more money? The real question is, how can I stop depending on earned income? This is the shift from employee thinking to investor thinking. Employees sell time. Investors buy assets. Let me say that again. Employees sell time. Investors buy assets. An asset is anything that pays you without your daily labor. Stocks, index funds, real estate, digital products, businesses. Notice something? None of these require you to clock in. They require effort up front, but not forever. That's the difference. A salary pays you once. An asset can pay you repeatedly. Most people don't fail financially because they lack money. They fail because they misunderstand the purpose of salary. Your salary is not your wealth. Your salary is seed capital. It's not the destination. It's the fuel. If you're earning $3,000 a month and spending $3,000, you are stuck in survival mode. If you're earning $3,000 and investing $500 in assets, you're building escape velocity. Start small. Automate investing into low-cost index funds. Build a side income that doesn't require hourly presence. Reinvest raises instead of upgrading lifestyle. Delay gratification now to buy freedom later. And here's a mental reframe. Your job is not your identity. Your job is your investor. It funds your future freedom, but only if you treat it that way. Otherwise, 10 years will pass. You'll earn more, you'll spend more, and you'll still need permission to take a vacation. That's the time for money trap. And escaping, it isn't about quitting your job tomorrow. It's about using your job strategically. One builds income, the other builds independence. Choose wisely.